Actually, I don't know if I'm supposed to say that either. I don't know. We'll be surprised. All right. We finished that page, right? Okay, so we're on climate regions. Okay, let's see. Oh, we are recording. Hi, Tegan. We're back. There was a schedule error, so we do still have more social studies time, so you get 2. We are now on this page. All right, everybody on this page, take this out. And that screen, here we go. Okay, climate regions. We are going to go through these 2 pages and then we will be done. If we are done early, you will get work time. If you get work time, what is more important for you to get done first, math or art? Math. What is more important for you to get done, your literature vocab worksheet or art? Literature. Yes, very good. Do you have any other homework today?
No. Spelling games.
Spelling games, yes. Spelling games before art as well. Because remember, art, I'm going to give you lots and lots of time to work on art. Okay? And some of you are working on it at home and it looks great. Last night I actually looked in at it and fabulous. Addie, comment, question, or do you want to read?
I just want to read.
Okay. If you have not read yet and you want to read today, I will probably call on you before I call on repeat people. So if you want to read, go ahead, raise your hands. The first thing we're going to read are climate regions. Petra, go ahead. Climate regions. Everybody, hold on. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Anybody else need before we go?
Page 8.
You know, if I were to publish this magazine, I would put little page numbers down in the corner. One more page.
They do. They're up in the top.
Oh, they're at the top.
That's dumb.
Show page one more. We finished that one. Page 8 and 9. Fabulous. I was looking at the bottom. Petra, take it away. Climate regions.
Is it raining out today where you live? If so, that's weather. How much does it rain in an average summer? That's climate. The climate of a place is how the weather behaves over a long time. Climate is affected by the location of a place on Earth, especially by how far from the equator it is. Places near the equator tend to be warmer because they get more direct sunlight during the week. Places near the poles tend to be colder and have big differences between the weather and summer and winter.
All right. Julia, what would you like to read?
The landscape.
The landscape. So that's the picture of the mountains. Go ahead.
Landscape features that affect climate. Places near oceans or large lakes tend to be cooler in summer and warmer in winter. High plateaus and mountains are usually cooler than nearby valleys. Mountains can also affect rainfall patterns in the western U.S. The western sides of most mountain ranges are much wetter than the eastern side.
All right. Any vocab words? Oh, okay. Hands raised. Who wants to pick the next one? Aaron?
Climate effects.
Climate effects, and it's pointing at the guy carrying the canoe.
Climate affects types of plants and animals that can live in an area. It also helps shape the way people live. Areas with mountains and plenty of rain are much better for farming and very cold for arid, dry parts. Climate even affects transportation. Cold climates, rivers and islands can live in winter. In dry climates, river travel might be limited to the wettest season.
Thank you. All right, and I think we're left with different climates, so very short reads here. Let's see, Piper, pick one.
Subtropical.
Subtropical is on the right with the kids under the umbrella.
Subtropical. Hot and humid summer, high rainfall, drier, cooler winter.
Thank you. Annika.
I have a comment. If you look at the USA, it has all the states in there.
It does have all the states and capitals. Awesome. Annika, would you like to pick one to read too? Go ahead.
read the map.
Read the map. So the yellow box on the bottom right. Read the map.
Are there any U.S. state capitals in the tropical climate zones? What about the northern temperate? Imagine you're planning a visit to the capital of Indiana in January. What climate zone is it in? What does that tell you about the type of clothes you should pack?
Oh, so let's look at the first question that was in there. Are there any U.S. state capitals in the tropical climate zones? What do you see? Yes or no?
Yes.
Look again, there is one.
Yes.
It's Hawaii. And what's the capital of Hawaii? Honolulu. Very good. Honolulu. What about the northern temperate zone? Northern temperate zone. Any state capitals in the northern temperate zone? Say the name of that capital. 3, 2, 1. Juneau. Juneau, Alaska. Juneau, Alaska is in the northern temperate zone. All right, now find Indiana. It's in the Midwest. If you were planning a visit to the capital of Indiana in January, you are in the temperate zone. In the temperate zone, I'll read that. Warm summers and cold winters, moderate rainfall with snow in winter. So if you were going to the capital of Indiana, which is Indianapolis, in January, what kind of clothes would you pack? Yeah. Haley, what would you pack? In winter? January, for Indiana. Temperate, they have warm summers and cold winters, moderate rainfall with snow in the winter. So we're going in January, so that's winter. Indianapolis, no, yeah. Indiana, did it say?
Yeah.
Yep. Indiana, so Indianapolis is in the temperate zone. Guess what? It's the same temperate zone that we're in. So if you're going in January, you're going to bring your winter coat and maybe what for your feet?
She said that.
Boots. Did you say that?
Yeah, she said like warm clothes.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Way to go, Haley. All right. More volunteers to read. Jordan, pick one. Mediterranean, and then we'll take your comment. Mediterranean. Go ahead. That is on the, where is that?
Bottom right.
Bottom right, underneath two other kids with umbrellas.
Mediterranean. At Drive Center, cool web winter.
All right. Annika, what did you want to share?
A couple summers ago, I think it was 2 summers, I actually went to
Indianapolis. Did you just transfer planes or did you get out and stay in Indiana?
We stayed in one plane and we spent the whole week there.
Okay. So you visited. Okay. Mallory.
Mountain.
Mountain on the left.
Colder than nearby areas. Snow is common, rainy or dry,
Depending.
depending on local conditions.
Okay, so sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's dry, depending on the local conditions. Colder than nearby areas. Why would mountain areas be colder than nearby areas? What do you think, Mallory?
Because it's up higher.
It's up higher, higher elevation. Yeah, good. All right. Ellie?
Isn't air much higher warmer? But not in the sky.
Yes, but if you go up really high, it gets cooler. You are closer to that, you get sunburned easier. Yeah, but it is cooler. Like if you go up into space, it's like really cold, right?
But it's
Yeah.
like up down.
Yeah, because some of the heat is from like the sun bouncing off the earth. All right, there's not as much earth. Okay. We got a few left. Piper, pick one.
Oh, I have a comment.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
One year whenever I went to like Yellowstone, I wanted the national park. We went to
Ah, so a big difference. Okay, who wants to read? Ellie. Temperate is on the left by the lake. Bennett, put that stuff away, you don't need it. Go ahead.
Warm summers and cold winters, moderate rainfall with snowy.
All right, temperate. We are in temperate. Haley. Polar, top left. Polar.
Very cold winters, lots of snow, but little rain. Summers are slightly warmer.
Ooh, really short summers, very cold winters, lots of snow. That's not us. Sometimes we think it's us, but it's not. Addie?
Coastal on bottom left.
Coastal, bottom left, coastal.
And also you might want to.
Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to keep up with that. I'm sure Tegan can follow along in here because I'm announcing what you're reading, so she'll be able to hear. Thank you, though.
Smaller seasonal and day-to-night temperature changes than in island areas.
All right. Braylon, why don't you pick one from the right that we haven't done yet? Like arid, semi-arid.
Semi-arid.
All right, semi-arid, bottom right.
Low rainfall, modern day, night and summer to winter temperature changes.
Okay. Ezra, arid, right above that. Kid with the red shirt.
Very low rainfall, big day to night and summer to winter temperature changes.
So big changes. Summer or daylight to nighttime, big temperature changes. All right. And then Nathan, would you mind reading tropical for us on the top right? Tropical.
Very hot and humid most of the year, very high rainfall.
All right.
We didn't do northern temperature.
I was wondering about that. Will you do that for us, please? Northern temperate.
Northern temperate. Long cold winters with lots of snow and moderate rainfall.
Moderate rainfall. All right. We have gotten through climate regions. We have gotten through bodies of water. That was what we planned. You have 10 minutes to work. We're going to say goodbye to Tegan. Bye, Tegan.